This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pry off the wheel trim caps. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Mark the strut to steering knuckle relationship by drawing a line around the strut to steering knuckle nuts. Unscrew the nuts from the strut to knuckle bolts and knock the bolts out with a brass punch and a hammer. Separate the strut from the steering knuckle. Be careful not to overextend the drive axle CV joints or stretch the brake hose. If necessary, support the control arm with a floor jack. Support the strut and spring assembly with one hand and remove the upper strut mounting nuts and bolt. Use an assistant's help if necessary. Remove the strut and spring assembly from the fender well. Guide the strut assembly up into the fender well and insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the shock tower. Once the studs protrude from the shock tower, install the nuts and bolts so the strut won't fall back through. Again, this may require an assistant, since the strut is quite heavy and awkward. Slide the steering knuckle into the strut flange and insert the two bolts. Install the nuts, then align the marks made prior to disassembly. Tighten the lower strut nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps, applying firm pressure to secure them in place. Tighten the strut upper mounting nuts and bolt to the specified torque setting.